Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the ECOVACS DEEBOT T50 PRO Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop. I've been looking through the internet and analyzing its specifications, features, and overall value. And if you're looking for a premium robot vacuum that combines powerful cleaning, intelligent navigation, and a truly hands-free maintenance system, this model is one of the strongest contenders available. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. One of the first things you'll notice is its ultra-slim 3.19-inch design. Unlike many robot vacuums that struggle to fit beneath furniture, the T50 Pro Omni easily slides under beds, sofas, cabinets, and other low-clearance areas where dust usually collects, allowing it to clean places that many competitors simply can't reach. Cleaning performance is equally impressive. With up to 15,000 pascals of suction power, it easily handles fine dust, pet hair, crumbs, and larger debris on both hard floors and carpets. Whether you're dealing with everyday messes or deep carpet cleaning, the powerful motor provides consistent suction across different floor types. Pet owners will especially appreciate the ZeroTangle 2.0 brush system. Hair wrap is one of the biggest frustrations with robot vacuums, but ECOVACS has engineered the brush to significantly reduce tangles, allowing it to maintain strong cleaning performance while requiring much less manual maintenance. Edge cleaning is another standout feature. TruEdge technology allows the side brush and mop to extend closer to walls, corners, and furniture edges, areas that many robot vacuums often miss. The result is a much more complete cleaning pass throughout your entire home. Navigation is handled by the advanced AIVI 3D obstacle avoidance system. The robot intelligently recognizes furniture, shoes, cables, pet bowls, and other everyday objects, helping it avoid collisions while maintaining efficient cleaning paths. It also creates accurate maps of your home for organized room-by-room cleaning. The Omni docking station is where this robot truly shines. After every cleaning session, it automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, dries them to help prevent odors, and prepares the robot for the next cleaning cycle. This dramatically reduces day-to-day maintenance, allowing you to enjoy weeks of automated cleaning with minimal effort. The mopping system complements the powerful vacuum performance by removing everyday dirt, footprints, and light spills from hard floors. The automatic mop washing ensures you're always cleaning with fresh pads rather than spreading dirty water around your home. Through the ECOVACS app, you can schedule cleaning sessions, customize room cleaning, create no-go zones, adjust suction levels, and monitor the robot remotely. Voice assistant compatibility adds even more convenience by allowing hands-free control through simple voice commands. Build quality is excellent throughout. The robot feels premium, while the docking station is thoughtfully designed to keep everything organized despite offering so many automated maintenance features. After reviewing everything the ECOVACS DEEBOT T50 PRO Omni offers, it's clear this is a flagship robot vacuum built for users who want maximum convenience. The ultra-slim design, 15,000 pascal suction, ZeroTangle 2.0 brush, TruEdge edge cleaning, AIVI 3D obstacle avoidance, and fully automated Omni dock combine to create an outstanding cleaning experience with very little user intervention. So should you buy it? If you're looking for a premium robot vacuum and mop that delivers exceptional cleaning performance while minimizing maintenance, then yes, I think the ECOVACS DEEBOT T50 PRO Omni is an excellent investment. It combines powerful hardware with advanced automation to keep your floors consistently clean with almost no effort on your part. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.